gonna review these dude wipes here. These are great. I've gone through, I think, 2 or 3 packs of these since finding out about them. These are made in the USA, made out of plant fiber, 49 square inch wipes. So each one is. You get 48 wipes here. Fragrance free with vitamin E and aloe. So it's plant source fibers these are made out of. And free of parabens and dyes. So let's break into this package. Comes in like a pop the perforation. And these come out like a tissue. And there's no offensive odor to them. Here's how they look. I'm actually gonna use one of these, and these can be used to wipe your bottom, your other private areas. Some people use these after working out in the gym or jogging, and use them. They say they're just as good as taking a shower. Wiping your whole body down with one of these, or several of them. Grab one and wipe, dude. Distributed by Dude Products Incorporated, Chicago, Illinois. Copyright Dude Products Inc. And these work really well if you're going to need to use them for hygiene. I've used them on, my arms, legs, a little bit, just to kind of clean up a mess on my skin. They're a little pricey. They're more pricey than your regular flushable wipes or non-flushable wipes. So be prepared to pay a little bit more. They work well. They will get rid of any foul odor you have on your body, as long as it's just not super foul, I guess. It's worked for me. In that instance, I have not actually, quote unquote, bathed with one of these. Use them as a substitute for showering or bathing. But according to people's reviews online, you can use this for that sole purpose, or just for use for under your underarms or something. This can be used on every part of your body, pretty much on the outside of your body. Though it cannot be used internally. But yeah, this can be used for butt or bum wipes, rather. And like I said, these work really well. Great packaging, helps preserve the wipes inside. But these only last for so long, so you can't keep them for several years and expect them to last. So that is my review, guys. I do thank you very much for watching, and have a good day.